Hi, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today we're going to show you how to add a domain into HighLevel. Let's dive in. Okay, so when my team bought me this video, I was like, okay, this is not the most exciting thing in the world, but I have got a community where we've got lots of people using HighLevel, and this is a common question that we get asked over and over and over again. So I was kind of like, all right, guys, let's kill two birds with one stone. So whenever we get asked this question, we can just refer them to this video, okay? And if you are listening to this video, you obviously need some help. The tech guy I have in the office is Graham. He's going to show you how to do this very quickly. Please enjoy and speak soon.
Hey guys, thanks Dan, and welcome to the video on basically how to set up your domain inside HighLevel so you can use it for websites and funnels and things like this, okay? So you're in your sub account and you want to go to settings, and then we want to go down to domains. Now, there's none in there at the moment, so we want to connect a domain. So basically, you want to connect your domain, subdomain here. So I'm going to be using an old domain of ours, which is flexxable.com. So I am going to create a subdomain for this stuff that we're doing here. AI Flexxable.com. So you want to be putting in your domain with a little subdomain ahead of it. Subdomain is just something ahead of your main domain. So that's the sub, that's the domain, and the whole thing is your subdomain. I'm going to press continue. And then I'm going to add record manually. So all I need to do is add a CNAME record to our DNS records. So wherever you've got your domain housed, there should be a way of you getting into DNS records. I'm going to do ours on Cloudflare. That's where we host ours, but you can do it on GoDaddy, WordPress, Wix. They all have this. So you just got to navigate to your domain and your DNS records, okay? So I'm inside Cloudflare. This is our Flexxable domain. I'm going to go to DNS. This is where you can add records now. So I'm going to go and add a record. I'm going to call it CNAME. I'm going to go and just copy this required value. And I'm going to paste it into the end bit here. And in the middle bit, we're just going to type in AI, which is the subdomain. Okay. I'm just going to not proxy this time. You can choose whatever you want to do. And I'm going to press save. Now, once that's been added, I'm going to go back across to HighLevel, and I'm going to go and press verify records. Cool. That's been good. So now it will let you link it with your funnels and websites, whatever you've got in there. So I've only got one funnel in this sub account, which is the calendar. So I'm going to add that. I'm just going to leave that as it is. Select default step page for domains. I'm just going to call that as book a call. And then you can just select your default 404. So instead of it showing a 404, if they navigate to a page that doesn't exist, you can select the page for where they can go for the 404. I'm going to proceed to finish. Cool. So if we just navigate to ai.flexxable.com, see where this takes us to. Just takes us to the bog standard book a call page, okay? So make sure you set all that up correctly. Now, if we just go into funnels, we can just go have a look here. This is the one funnel I've got. Book a call. So if anyone navigates to ai.flexxable.com, they're going to go to this book call here. If it's a 404, they're going to go to this as well, but you can change that to whatever page you have. So if you've got the website, if you've got a website, you can change it to a page on the website, like a home page, something like that. Go to settings. It should have selected the domain now. And this is where you can change your paths and things like this, your URLs. Here. So yeah, guys, that's basically how we add a domain to HighLevel. It's very easy these days, quite simple. Hopefully this has helped. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Thank you so much, Graham. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you have, and you want more videos like this, then please give us a comment, give us a like, and subscribe to our channel. I'll speak to you soon.